Welcome to Woodworking 101. Let's explore the 10 essential tools that will kickstart your journey as a craftsman. Saws are the backbone of woodworking. Hand saws offer precision, while power saws tackle larger projects with ease. Achieve that perfect finish with files, planers, and sanders. These tools are crucial for smooth, professional results. Bring your creations to life with assembly tools. Clamps, drills, and screw guns are essential for secure construction. Precision is key in woodworking. A reliable tape measure and square are indispensable for accurate cuts and joints. Don't underestimate the humble hammer. It's a versatile tool that every woodworker needs in their arsenal. A solid workbench and reliable sawhorses form the foundation of your woodworking area. They're essential for stability and support. Chisels are perfect for detailed work and joinery. Master these versatile tools to elevate your craftsmanship. For intricate cuts and detailed work, specialty saws are game changers. They'll help you tackle complex projects with ease. Explore the world of joinery with dovetail and keyhole saws. These tools open up endless possibilities for connecting wood pieces. Build your toolkit strategically. We'll help you prioritize which tools to get first as you embark on your woodworking journey. Proper tool care ensures longevity and performance. Learn the basics of maintaining your woodworking tools for years of use. Ready to unleash your inner craftsman? Click the link below to learn more and start your woodworking adventure.